Big Blue Button is a web conferencing system designed for online learning. To fully participate in the Big Blue Button, you will need a webcam and headset, or a pair of headphones and a webcam with built-in microphone. The newly implemented distance learning solution will run better using Google Chrome. To access a Big Blue Button session, log into Moodle as per your schedule on Banner. You will see a video conferencing schedule. Click on this image to join the Big Blue Button session. After joining, you will see two options. To engage in the class, you need to choose microphone. You will then be directed into an echo test. To make sure the audio is working, please speak a few words. If you hear the audio, click Yes. During the session, we recommend that you mute yourself unless you are planning to ask a question or give a comment. This will cut down on the background noise level in the virtual classroom. We recommend that you do not turn on your camera unless you are presenting, to ensure a good internet connection. You will then be directed into the Big Blue Button session. The conference room is divided into different sections. The middle area is the presentation area, with any material presented by the teacher. On the left is the chat area. If you send a message in the chat area, all of the class users will see it. The attendee list. You can click on any of the names to start a private chat. Shared Notes is a collaborative area for all users. The instructor can use this like a traditional whiteboard in class to write important points for the lecture. You can download the slides if the instructor gives permission by clicking on the icon located in the left-hand corner. While the instructor can write on the whiteboard, you may do so only if the instructor gives you permission. You can share your webcam, audio, or screen by clicking on the Camera Share button. You can stop sharing by clicking the Stop Sharing button. The layout can be changed according to your specific needs. For example, you can move the various screen parts around. Breakout sessions. Your teacher might create breakout rooms and assign groups. Groups have their own audio, video, whiteboard, application sharing, and chat. The instructor can invite you to participate in a breakout session. You will see a button to join. The purpose of it is to encourage small group discussion. Breakout rooms facilitate small group collaboration. After joining the breakout session, you will notice a new tab opens up, but you will still be in the main session. You will be prompted again to do a new echo test. At the top, you will see the amount of time the breakout room will be open. Everyone in the breakout room comes in as a moderator, so you can upload slides, show your notes, and write on the board. Before entering the breakout room, you were a student in the session, and the instructor was the moderator. While you are in the breakout session, you are still in the main session. If you need help, you can write in the public chat a message seeking assistance from your instructor or a classmate. While you are in the session and you need help with the Big Blue Button, you can click on the three vertical dots, scroll down, and then click Help for more information. You can also scroll down to log out. Tips for successful online learning. Communicate respectfully with fellow students and faculty online to ensure our virtual classes have a positive environment which is conducive to learning. Participate in online discussions and breakout sessions as per the guidance of your instructor. Understand that the lack of face-to-face instruction does not lessen the quality of education. Understand the same amount of work is required online as in the classroom. Online learning environments offer more flexibility, so it is your responsibility to be self-motivated and disciplined to keep up with your course. Communicate with your teachers for concerns, questions, and assistance. Give constructive feedback to your classmates and teachers. Please note, close any program you are not using to ensure a strong connection. For more information, please email us at ctl@ku.ac.ae.